Did you know that there are two different types of palm kernel? Well, to my knowledge. So the first type of palm kernel, when you touch it, you would reach the palm nut easily. Then the second one, you would see that it's more fleshy before you reach the palm nut. Anyways, I prefer the one that is not fleshy enough because the taste is better. Now for my ingredients, I'm going to be using first my Ehuru, then my Okpeye, then my Banga spices. You can just ask them in the market to give you Banga spices. There are actually three different types of Banga spices from what I'm showing you. Then your pepper, then you would use your catfish, your dry catfish, and your stockfish. This is the Ehuru and the way that I showed you earlier. Don't forget to use your pepper because pepper is very important in Akwu. Then you have to use your scent leaf, then your ugu. These are the two leaves we'll be using. So properly pound your crayfish, your pepper, your ehuru, all those things that I showed you earlier. Then boil your palm kernel. The reason why you're boiling your palm kernel is so that when you're pounding it, the bark will come out. You're supposed to boil it, then use your hand and check whether it's a little bit soft. Trust me, it doesn't take a lot of time. For your catfish and stockfish, it's actually very ideal that you pour hot water and soak it a little bit. It helps killing those insects in it, and also it just generally helps clean it better. Then this is me checking how the back comes out easily, and that was how I knew that it was ready. So yeah, that's it for that. Now I'm going to be pounding my palm kernel. So to pound my palm kernel, I'm going to use my mortar. My mortar is not big, but if your mortar is big enough, that's fine. I showed you detailed and like carefully how you would know that you're done pounding. Make sure the back is normal attached to the nut. This is to help you have a lot of oil that you're bringing out. That's like your sauce that you're bringing out. So keep on pounding it. Making Akwu is stressful, obviously, but there's also an option to buy the canned one that is already extracted. So if this is too stressful for you, you can actually look into that option as well. But sometimes when you want to like go out of your way and make like a very delicious meal, well, this is when you have to pound. And my mortar wasn't big enough, that's why it was stressful, because I had to pound like in batches. But if your mortar is very big, put everything once and pound, and once you're actually done. I think that's even very, very faster, by the way. Then you're going to be boiling, like you need hot water to remove the the banga stew. So make sure your water is hot. Then you turn it so that all the stew, all the oil, like everything is going to come out. Then this is when you start pressing it. This is where the work is, because you're supposed to squeeze out everything, like squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. This thing I was squeezing was very, very hot too, but it was hot and it was not that bad for me because I was wearing a glove. So don't do like me. If you don't have a glove, please dilute your water a bit. That's when you've poured your hot water, dilute your water and you're good to go. So that's it. You keep on pressing till you've extracted everything, and yes, you're good to go. Once I was done like pressing everything, I was sure that I have already extracted it. I didn't show it in the video, but I went the second time and poured hot water to everything I had extracted. I just wanted to like bring out more of the extracts, but not so much, just a little bit. I did that one off camera. So this is what I have. This is what I extracted from the palm kernel. Well, I sieved it again because I want to make sure that when I was sieving it initially, the palm kernel bark didn't find its way into my meal. So that's why I sieved it a second time. Yeah. Then for your catfish, There's a hack that I noticed that when you have catfish that you put inside your freezer, when you bring it out, is easier to wash. When you're using your when you want to do your catfish, you can use hot water. Be careful, don't pour it too much on the back so that the back will not remove. You can just pour it by the side and also at the body, just like with your own discretion. Yeah, so this is an alternative method if you don't have alum. I personally think alum is very, very stressful. Yeah, so for your goat meat, actually this is ofaku stew, just like how you make your meat for your soup. There is no Korean time here, strictly maggi, salt, and if you like, you can do benny. Yes, then if you like pepper mix, you can do that, then onions, and that's you're good to go. You just go boil your proteins, and yeah, that's it. So I wanted to boil my catfish a little bit because I have had an experience in the past where I tried to boil it while the food was cooking, and then it did not boil too much, and then when I served it, it was like there was blood inside. So I wanted to cook it aside from putting it inside the my stew. So I used the opportunity and I also boiled my dry fish and my stockfish so that it can bring out the taste. It helps your food too. Then once you have now, I forgot to say something. When you're cooking your banga, you cook it and cook it till it's looking as if you have something thick, and then the oil has settled on top of it. That is how you know that your banga is done. Yeah, so when that's done, you add your all your proteins, and then that's it. Then I added our pepper and Ehuru, Okpeye. That was what I added. And then another secret ingredient a lot of people don't know about in making ofaku is to put pepper soup spice. The first one I put was pepper soup spice. Then this one I put was is still pepper soup spice, but the one that they get in the market too, that is not like in the whole sachet. So I just decided to put the different, like the both of them, to add more flavor to my pot of food. Yeah, then local food, I love putting Cameroon pepper in local food, so I just put a bit, just slightly. Yes, then you add your crayfish and you turn. Notice that I'm not turning my stew too much, because don't forget you have catfish there, so it doesn't over break, because mine is already even breaking. Yes, and just a little bit of salt. Then you go in with your scent leaf, very, very, very important. Then once it has steamed a bit, you go in and you put your ugu, and just like that, your ofaku is ready. I know ofaku can be stressful, but I assure you, any day you want to like impress your family members, be it on a Sunday, on a festive day, any day you want to impress your family members, this is a recipe you have to try out. Don't forget to use the ingredients I listed. Those ingredients are very, very, very important. Anyways, if you got to the end of this video, I'm 100% sure that when you make your own food, it's going to be nice, because you did not miss out on this awesome and amazing recipe, and also knowing these awesome ingredients that I use. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please help me, follow me, like, comment, support me, and help me to grow. So I'll just keep on dropping more better recipes for you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.